Hello everyone, and welcome to today's JavaScript tutorial. In this session, we'll learn how to convert an array of objects into a CSV, which is a comma-separated value, string, while including only the specified columns. This functionality is crucial when you need to export data for reporting or sharing, but only requires certain fields from the objects. Let's dive in. Our goal is to process a JSON array and generate a CSV string that includes only the specified columns. For example, with the input data shown here, we only want the columns X and Y. Rows that don't have values for these columns should include empty strings in their place. The output should look like this here, like this. This process ensures we extract and format only the required data. Here's the JavaScript function, JSON to CSV. Let's break it down step by step. The first row of the CSV is the header row, created by joining the column names using the specified delimiter, which is default is a comma. We use a map method to iterate over each object in the array. For each object, we use the reduce method to create a row by iterating over the specified columns. If a column is missing in the object, we substitute it with an empty string. Finally, we join all rows with new line characters to create the final CSV string. This function performs 5 key steps. First, we generate the header row using the column names. Then, we iterate through each object in the array to process its values. For each row, we extract only the specified columns and format their values. Missing values are replaced with the empty strings. Finally, we combine the header and data rows into a single CSV string, separated by new line characters. Let's go through this example. The input data consists of an array of objects with varying keys. We specify the columns X and Y for the CSV. The header row is created as X and Y. The first object provides values for both columns, whereas the second object provides values for X and Y, but the value for Z is ignored. Subsequent rows handle missing values by substituting them with empty strings. The final output is a well-structured CSV string, leaving only the specified columns. The ES6 version is optimized with modern JavaScript features. First, arrow functions to simplify syntax. Second, the spread operator is used to add rows dynamically. And third, default parameters handle the delimiter, which defaults to a comma. This implementation is both concise and efficient, making it ideal for modern JavaScript features and applications. In summary, this program is a robust solution for exporting JSON data to CSV format. It focuses on specific columns, handles missing values gracefully, and generates a well-formatted output. The ES6 version further streamlines the code for better readability and maintainability. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript videos. I'll see you in the next one.